Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. No change to the wave count. Actually, it's playing out nicely. Everybody who watched the previous video today knew that there is a good chance that this Elliott wave triangle is going to break to the downside. Now we haven't, I think we haven't officially broken it yet. We have though broken below the D wave low, which is always the very first strong indication that it's breaking. And the confirmation will only be obtained if we take out the B wave low. Now that's at 37.8 cents. We've reached 37.86 or whatever. So it could very well be that this is now going to consolidate sideways until we get the interest rate decision. It's sideways consolidation though, so it would at the moment, at present, suggest further continuation to the downside. But yeah, for now, I assume triangle is breaking. It's not only that, you actually also see a very nice head and shoulders on the chart. Bit of an ugly one actually, no, it's not that nice. But you have here left shoulder, your head, and the right shoulder. And that could obviously send us down further. Now, taking purely the height of the head and shoulders, so I just moved my microphone. Purely the height of the head, yeah, and we add it to a possible breakout point, which is basically where we are now. Target would send us down into the sort of 33.8 cent region. Yeah, that is basically a very similar target that we would get from measuring the triangle. Triangle would be a bit higher because it's different ways of measuring, right? You take your head and shoulders target. That's one way. I don't really like head and shoulders, so I don't normally focus don't focus too much on it. But a way to calculate target based on an Elliott wave triangle is you take the height of the triangle in the beginning and you add it to the end of the E wave, to the end of the triangle, and that takes it to 35.2 cents. Yeah, so there's a slight difference, but they both point into our yellow support region. So at the moment, I assume the triangle breaks or is broken. I would assume that until we get above 39.5 cents, this significant swing high there, if we take it out, it would probably suggest a different interpretation, not necessarily bullish, but maybe a bit of an extension of that B wave. At the moment, I would assume the B wave ended at the triangle and the B wave unfolded as triangle. But if we get an extension to the upside, it would be just simply a high B wave in, for example, a WXY structure or something. Yeah, so of course a higher B wave is still possible until the triangle is broken, but we're obviously so close to support now, there's a good chance we actually eventually break it. It doesn't even take a cent. You just need to really take out that 37.8 cent level, and ideally sustain below that level to finally get our C wave. Yeah, that has been the expectation. No change overall to the wave count, but the idea is obviously, and it has been, that this move down could become a 5-wave move, something like that, in a C wave. I actually need to move the yellow support region across. As long as we're holding the 33.3 cent level, this wave count is the likely one. Below that 33.3 cent level, which is here the 78.6 retracement, there is one more bullish setup as explained, but it obviously would already spark some concerns about new bear market lows if we take out that 33.3 cent level. But going down a little bit more is actually what we want to see based on the current wave count. Yeah? But just be aware of that key point at 39.5 cents. If we break above it, it would invite a different interpretation. Alright, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.